I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your dog's vagus nerve, updated. Start by observing your dog calmly and note any fainting, gagging, or breathing changes. Gently record frequency and triggers without inducing stress. Use safe breathing support and vagal maneuvers only after consulting a vet. I will walk you through simple steps, when to stop, and when to call for emergency help in a clear, friendly manner. Begin with calm approach and slow breathing to soothe your dog and lower stress hormones. Use a gentle neck and shoulder massage to promote parasympathetic response and relaxation. If your vet approves, brief, cautious pressure at safe points may trigger vagal reset, but never force or prolong any maneuver. Monitor your pet closely, stop if signs worsen, and keep emergency vet contact ready while you practice these gentle, supportive techniques. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical pet care tips for you. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has voice control and smart cleaning that frees up time for walks and calm sessions with your dog, and it even avoids pet hair like a pro. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If episodes are frequent, last long, or involve collapse, head to your vet or emergency clinic right away. Share detailed notes on timing, triggers, and any home techniques you attempted so the clinician can act fast. The vet may run ECG, blood tests, or imaging to find root causes and recommend medical or procedural treatments. Early diagnosis improves outcomes and helps tailor safe, effective strategies for your dog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.